If your Buick IntelliLink screen goes black, loses sound, or won't connect to Bluetooth, you're not alone. These systems control audio, navigation, and smartphone integration, so when they glitch, it affects your entire driving experience. Most problems are software related and can be fixed quickly without replacing any parts. Before heading to the dealership, try these simple troubleshooting steps. Important steps. 1. Start with a system reset by going to Settings, selecting Return to Factory Settings, and choosing Restore Vehicle Settings. 2. If the issue continues, check for available updates under System, then Vehicle Software, and install any pending updates. 3. For a black screen, press and hold the Reject Call button on the steering wheel for about 15 seconds to force a reboot. 4. If you're having Bluetooth problems, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and delete, then repair the device. 5. Check infotainment and radio fuses using your owner's manual if the system won't power on. 6. If problems persist, contact Buick customer support or visit an authorized dealership for advanced diagnostics or software reprogramming.